Guys, today I am going to do for my friend Akram a video. It's called 5 Annoying Sounds. Just hands. Number 1. Number 2. Or. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5, the most special one or annoyingest one.